this is Kandia with Kandia Haynesworth Designs, and thank you so much for joining in. I am going to be applying HTV, which is heat transfer vinyl, to this rug that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. And so I'm going to be testing out my Cricut Easy Press for the first time, and I am super excited because I don't know if this is going to work. Now let's look at this item. Once again, I did purchase this from Dollar Tree, my local Dollar Tree, and it has some kind of a backing on it that's hard. It doesn't necessarily feel like a non-slip one, but it does provide some weight to it. And I tell you what, this is woven very nicely, especially for a Dollar Tree item. This would make a perfect housewarming gift, a wedding gift even. But today, I am just going to be testing it out, and I'm going to be applying one of my client's logos to it and give it to him as a thank you gift for hiring Kandia Haynesworth Designs. And by the way, they make great thank you gifts as well. And so, let me grab my Easy Press and let's get started. Okay, so today I am using Caesar brand Easy Weed Electric Red Heat Transfer Vinyl. And so the rug itself is a black and gray blend, and it's a tight woven. And so this red is going to pop off of those colors. But first we need to set the Easy Press to 305 degrees and at 15 seconds. To do that, I'm going to press the button temp. And then the temperature is going to start blinking, and then I am just going to just press the plus or the positive sign up to 305 degrees Fahrenheit. And then I'm going to set the timer. And then the timer starts blinking as well, and I'm going to decrease it with the negative sign. And I'm going to decrease it to 15 seconds. Okay, and now it is set. And now all we have to do from here on is wait for the Easy Press to reach 305 degrees. Okay, so I am ready. I'm just going to slide this over some. And I've already weeded out my design here. And so I'm just going to turn it over, and it's just so I can kind of position everything without getting burned. And I'm going to turn it this way. Like so. So this way you can really see what I'm doing here. And then I'm just going to center this like so. Just like that. And press. And I'm just finger pressing this, as you can see. And so I'm going to pick up my Easy Press. I'm trying to see, where do I want to put the dock at. So guys, we'll see. Actually, there we go. All right. I guess it can go right there. Okay, and so I just want you to be able to see what I'm doing here. And I guess I'm just going to put it on half of the design. Press the Cricut icon, the button, and I'm just going to press. I guess, you know what, you kind of want to do the sliding motion. Okay, that was 15 seconds. And I'm going to move it over on the other half of the design. And I'm going to start it and press. Oh, you know what? I should have used a Teflon sheet. I think that probably would have been a little bit better. A protective sheet. You always want to use something protected, and I didn't protect it. At least it would have protected the fabric. Okay, and so it is hot to touch, and I feel like I want to give this a little bit more time, and I know that that's okay to give it some more time. So I am going to just go back to the other half, the first half, press down and press. I kind of want to slide this around like an iron because it has such a smooth surface. This is a really neat idea, I gotta tell you. Much better than an iron because of the way the surface is made. You know, the iron space is limited, and then it has that shape. But with this square shape, this is a really good idea. Okay, and so yes, it is hot to touch. And I'm just going to put this back on the dock here. And this is going to be a hot peel. I'm just assuming because I know electric is a hot peel. But I'm going to now grab that Teflon sheet. It looks good. I gotta tell you, it looks good. And I know that it did well because I can see the imprint of the woven print of the carpet embedded into the electric HTV. And so that's how you know that it's a good I want to say melt, but it worked well. Okay, so I went and I grabbed my Teflon sheet, and I am just going to just press this one more time on both sides, and then we're done. So I don't know how much pressure do you apply though, so I'm just assuming that this would be okay. I'm just going to do this side. And this was a very easy project, as you can see. We did what, 6 laps of 15 seconds? So that's really good. And we're done. Okay. So I'm gonna put this aside, put the easy press aside, so you can see and turn this around. And this is a nice, quick gift. Can't beat that. You can't beat that. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, this makes an excellent housewarming gift, a thank you gift, a wedding gift even with the couple's name. You can also